Ooh, welcome man, welcome back to the channel, y'all. Real quick, one of those typical days in the shop videos, guys. This is a Ram 3500. Now, a lot of people under the impression that 3500 is typically diesel, but as you can see, it's got a 6.4 Hemi in it, guys. So no, and it's a work truck, heavy duty. So my point is, you do not have to be a diesel, or your vehicle do not have to be equipped with a diesel just because you want power. In other words, this 6.4 Hemi is very capable of supplying just that power. Okay, so no, that's not always the case. Now I guarantee you, and I'm one of them too, guys, I'm guilty. All right, let me explain. The service advisor walking around with a ticket. I need somebody to check this 3500 out. Me, I took off. Pew! Because you know me and my stall, plus you need a lift to get this big old thing up. But this is not why I turned it down. Had he said 1500, or in some cases at 25, I would have, I do it. No, he said 35. So first thing come to my mind, that's a diesel. I ain't touching that. I can't get it up in the air. But then I come down here just to find out. I mean, it's turned out to be a good ticket too. Now, if you're a customer, you may not approve of what I'm saying, but when you say good ticket, I mean it's turned out to be something easily to diagnose and easy to fix. But my point of this talk is just to alert you, not all 3500s are equipped with a diesel engine. Yes, guys, 6.4. Look at that intake. Okay, now the intake really plays a major role in, of course, the air intake. It's the intake manifold. So some 6.4s are equipped with a different design intake. It all depends on the manufacturer, what the manufacturer have planned for the engine. Okay, the 6.4s like the Hellcats and things like that, they get the big old silver intake. Those are essentially, no, not just the cars. They are in Grand Cherokee, the Durangos. 6.4, the Hellcat engine is in a lot of applications now. But yeah, guys, so if your dispatcher walk around to you and asks you, can you check out a 3500, don't panic. Okay, it could very well be a Hemi, but you don't know this until you get in the shop. Now this guy's a diesel guy, so that's likely why he got it. It's not a diesel vehicle, but he's a diesel guy. But the mere fact that he said 3500 had all the mechanics in here in panic. All right, I don't know. Looks like my man doing a battery here. Fairly simple, guys. Remember what I told y'all? The connections is key, crucial. It's got a battery temp sensor on it. Connection is crucial. All right, that looks like just a typical failed battery. I don't know. What are y'all getting out of the lifespan of y'all batteries now? I've seen them go as early as 8 months. That's not a manufacturer's fault or problem. That's not like, you can't just say Chrysler battery sucks, because I'm not sure Chrysler even make the battery, or any car maker make the batteries for that matter. So don't really get out of the habit of blaming every damn thing on the car maker. All right, typical Wrangler, guys, with a 3.6 Pentastar. I have no idea what's wrong with it. Can't be a ticker because this dude is the engine guy and he don't have the intake off. So hey, if I had to guess, I don't know what y'all think, 07 maybe, 06. Yeah, the 3.3, guys, 3.3 and the 3.8. That was our flagship V6 application back in the day. Due to stringent emission standards, this engine could no longer stand the test of time. It's time and chain driven. Look at that, they got new, and you can tell it's old technology. Secondary ignition plug wires. All right, now you're gonna need a coil on any application, but today's everybody going coil on plug. So I don't know what's wrong with this car. Probably something crazy. Now, depending on 06, this is technically a DRB car. Now the guy who's working on it has a DRB too. It's like two DRBs on this side of the country, me and him. Unfortunately, we're the same dealer. Go figure. Guys, this thing got a, I think this got a, we about to pop the hood on this. Last time I saw him over here, this car was keeping up way too much. This car was extremely loud. Let's see what he working with, baby. Wow, look at that, guys. This is a 6.4, I think. Yes, supercharged. What a beauty. Y'all see that? That thing is a beauty. It's a Grand Cherokee. I don't know. Don't ask me. Don't stop me to lie. I have no idea what's wrong with it. But he threw because he closed the hood and he closed his toolbox and he's gone. Can't be that. Oh, 123.4YF. So it has to be over a 14 model. Might be 16. No, Hellcat. They started putting these in this is the supercharged SRT. I don't know what's wrong with this. I don't want to guess. All right. You know, y'all guys, y'all hold me up to my guesses. If I'm wrong, y'all would drill me. All right. Moving on along. Oh, let's go down to my neck of the hood. Oh, my part here. Hey, y'all see this? Ladies and gentlemen, this is a condenser. You know why I'm about to do a condenser? Because of this. I talked about this in another video, right? In fact, watch this video right here. How air conditioning can affect your transmission. This car is in for transmission will not, or transmission slipping. It's slipping because it's low on fluid, guys. Y'all see that? All this black, that is transmission fluid. It's making its way through the AC condenser. That is because the transcooler is built inside of the condenser. Okay, so that condenser failed internally. No, if the cooler inside the condenser failed internally, you have no choice but to replace the complete AC condenser. You can see I got the bumper off. Guys, this is one piece, so this is just it. Don't get all bent out of shape. You know how some of you guys sensitive. Oh my God, you got the bumper laying on the ground. It's just sitting on the ground. Now it's just a matter of now removing this and a couple bolts here and there, and whoop. In fact, if you want to see how I did one on the Durango, same setup. Watch that video right here. I will not be able to record or film me replacing this one. You can see, however, I did have to remove the bumper and the front grille to gain access to the condenser. Okay, from there, some guy asked me about labor time. Will a veteran be able to do an 8-hour job quicker than a newbie? Depends on the speed of said individual, guys. In my opinion, I can't remember how I answered that, but yeah, I hit on it pretty good. So right now, guys, I got work to do. I can't sit here and play with y'all, man. I know y'all like these typical day in the shop videos, but right now I get to get some work. I just see my parts here. They probably waiting on it. So let me get started, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.